Protein is a crucial reagent commonly utilized in biological experiments. The storage conditions are vital for preserving its activity and stability. The methods and principles for storing protein products and peptides are generally consistent. In this video, we will elucidate the storage methods for liquid proteins and lyophilized powders. 1. Preservation of liquid proteins. For proteins that need to be used within a short time, they can be briefly stored in a refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius. This temperature slows down the degradation rate of proteins. However, it cannot sustain their activity over an extended period. If long-term storage is required, we typically recommend sub-packaging the protein as needed and placing it in a freezer at -20 or -80 degrees Celsius to avoid degradation and loss caused by repeated freeze-thaw cycles, thereby significantly extending the shelf life of the proteins. 2. Preservation of freeze-dried powder. Lyophilized powder proteins represent a dehydrated form of protein, allowing for more relaxed storage conditions. Generally, we recommend storing them in a refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius. This temperature maintains the stability of the lyophilized powder, while also preventing moisture absorption that could lead to deterioration. However, please note that once the lyophilized powder package is opened, it should be used promptly and kept as dry as possible. In summary, appropriate storage conditions are essential for maintaining both the activity and stability of proteins. Whether dealing with liquid proteins or lyophilized powders, selecting suitable storage temperatures and methods based on their characteristics is imperative while strictly avoiding repeated freezing and thawing cycles. We hope this informative Q&A helps you better understand how to preserve protein products effectively. This is the end of this video. Follow Cheng Yao Biology's video account to bring you more interesting and informative life science knowledge. We look forward to seeing you next time.